3 signs that you should start exercising. Tatlong signs na kailangan mo nang i-prioritize yung health mo. Unhealthy. Bigyan kita ng tatlong real talk. Huwag po sana kayong masasaktan. I'm just going to trigger you para naman i-prioritize yun naman yung sarili nyo. Okay? Number 1 sign that you should start living an active lifestyle is mabilis ka nang hingalin. We understand before nung bata-bata tayo, okay? We are very active, hindi tayo hinihingal. Pero once that you start noticing na mabilis ka nang hingalin, it's a sign for you to start prioritizing your health because something's wrong. Okay? Ang pinakamahirap kasi dyan is, bata ka pa, mabilis ka nang hingalin. So let's start, prioritizing our health. Be on a diet, try to lose fat for a bit, and then start exercising. Number 2 sign that you should start prioritizing your health or start exercising. You're not physically confident. Coach, ba't ganun? Nung bata-bata ako, payat ako. That's normal. As you age, tendencies niya, nagbabago yung body composition natin. Buwabagal yung metabolism natin. Nagkikerry tayo ng body fat. You're not physically confident anymore. Sa mga presentations mo sa trabaho, when you face other people, pag nakikipag-date ka, okay, it's your responsibility to take care of yourself. I'm not body shaming anyone, but this is the real talk na kailangan nyo marinig. You're not physically confident anymore. Lastly, number 3, you're not able to enjoy your sports. Ayan po ang pinaka-obvious. I have a lot of friends na nung bata-bata kami, ang papayat namin pare-pareho. Now na tumanda kami, when we play basketball, yung iba sa amin nahihirapan na maglaro. Which is hindi naman sila ganun before, all because they were not able to prioritize their health and their lifestyle. I understand, lahat tayo may responsibility sa buhay. But it's not an excuse for us not to give 1 to 2 days a week para naman mag-exercise. If 7 days a week niya, neglect nyo yung lifestyle nyo, yung health nyo, yung exercise, yung activities nyo, mali po yun. 7 days of not doing any activities, that's too much already. 1 to 2 weeks, 1 to 2 times a week, I would understand. But 7 days, nasabihin mo wala kayong oras, there's something wrong. So let this serve as a wake-up call. You got this.